Hello everyone, I am Demi. Welcome to Green World Home Fit Camp. Most of us are working from home or staying at home due to social distancing regulations. Working from home is fun, but there are two problems. The first one is that we become physically inactive, and the second problem is snacking. We are eating more snacks than ever. I am sure you all agree with me on that. These two problems give a rise to a very big problem, which is unnecessary weight gain. But don't worry, at Green World, we have a solution for your problem. Let me introduce a 3-day trial of Green World Home Fit Camp. It is a warm up program to help you to get an idea on how to detox and shed a few kilos off. After trying this, I am sure you will find it helpful and upgrade to a 10-day program. Alright, now let me introduce to our product trainer Jake, who will explain the details of the plan with you all. Let's welcome Jake.
Hello everyone, I'm Jake and I will be taking you through this 3-day trial program for Green World Home Fit Camp. It is a very simple plan. Of course, it will require some discipline and adjustment of your routine, but I'm sure you all can do it. So let me now explain to you one by one how you will follow this entire plan. So as you can see on the screen, the first thing on the table is after you get up, monitor your criteria. So basically to monitor your criteria, you will need two things. One is a measuring tape and other is the weighing scale to measure your weight. So for the next 3 days, when you get up in the morning, first thing that you have to do is use your measuring tape and take the measurement of your waist in centimeters and write it down on this table shown here on the screen. So on this table you can see there are 4 different columns for day 1, day 2, day 3 and day 4. Accordingly, you will put your measurements on this table. So for first day, you will start with taking measurement of your waist in centimeters and then use the weighing scale and write down your body weight in kgs. Furthermore, it is suggested that you take your measurements every day wearing the same clothes so that there is no variation in body weight as per different clothing. And remember guys, it is always better to go to the washroom first and get fresh as you don't want any extra weight showing on the weighing scale. Second step is taking snaps or photographs. The whole idea is the testimony. Your own testimony is the biggest tool for Green World business. Just imagine when you share your progress photographs with your friends and relatives, they would definitely ask you, what are you doing? How come your body is transforming or you're making these progress? And that is an opportunity for you to explain it to them, share your experience with them, how Green World detox products and the Home Fit Camp has helped you in making progress in your health, in your body weight, and detoxifying toxins from your body. For taking the photographs, the format is very simple. First, take your front photographs full length and then take your profile photograph from both your left side and your right side. In fact, I would say that if you can create a board for yourself, that would be wonderful. Every day take a photograph and in front of that photograph, if you want, you can write your measurement as well for that particular day. Half an hour before your breakfast, take a detox product, Green World Changjingjing solid beverage. It improves your bowel movement and gives you a complete colon and liver detox. It will help you get fresh in the morning as well. If you take this product in the sachet packaging, then mix it with 200 ml of room temperature water and drink it. If you take the product in a capped form, in that case replace the cap of the water bottle with the Changjingjing solid beverage cap, you will see that the powder drops into the bottle. Shake the bottle and then drink it. This drink will help you get fresh in the morning. In case you have problem of constipation, Take an extra dose of Chang Jing Jing beverage and you will have much comfortable bowel movement. I would also suggest to drink extra water during this detox phase to get maximum result from these detox products. Next step is meridian massage and workout before breakfast. Meridian massage has a long history in China to adjust the functions of our organs and our entire system. During this 3-day trial program, we will have a warm up with the meridian massage and then a workout routine for slimming and shaping your body. Also, you will notice on the table on the screen right now is that we have given different time slots every day to a meridian massage and workout. It's not the same time every day. So take notice of that because it will help you achieve better result. It will give time to your body also to recover from previous day's workout. Just have a look on the table on screen. As you can see the schedule for 3 days. On day 1 it is in the morning 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. We will start with the gallbladder meridian massage for 10 minutes followed by a workout routine for 30 minutes. On the second day, workout starts at 10 a.m. in the morning till 11 a.m. and we will start with the liver meridian massage and followed up by a 30-minute workout. On the third day, the timing is 4 p.m. in the evening to 5 p.m. and here we start for 10 minutes with the bladder meridian massage followed by a 30-minute workout. Then we also added a fourth day for all of you because I'm sure after third day you all will be motivated to take it further for one more day, and that's why it is a bonus workout day wherein you can choose any of the meridian massage for 10 minutes and followed up by the workout routine from the first day. Now, I just want to tell you all one thing. If you have never worked out ever before in your life, or it's been a long time that you have done any physical activity, especially during this self-isolation period, then you might feel little bit of muscle soreness or you might feel little tired. But that is a natural process and you don't have to worry about it. So if you feel that it is getting exhausting for you, you can reduce or adjust the timing or amount of workout that you do. It goes without saying that you will need some comfortable clothing and you might also need a yoga mat and a stool. Now, I just want to briefly tell you the reason why these meridian massage have been added into the detox program for 3 days. These meridian massages are basically to warm up the gallbladder, bladder and liver meridian. According to traditional Chinese medicine, these 3 meridians govern the entire detoxification process as well as facilitate in slimming or burning excess fat from the body. We will provide you with the videos for the meridian massage as well as the 3 days workout to follow. Okay, now moving on to the next step, probably the step that you're waiting for, and that is having a healthy breakfast. Alright guys, so let's talk about breakfast. I know you all love your rice and noodles and meat and potatoes, but we are talking about detoxification program and eating habits are an important part of detoxification plan. You are doing this to clean your body, to change your blood chemistry. When you eat rice or noodles first thing in the morning, it spikes up your blood sugar levels because these are simple carbohydrates. They have high glycemic index. And first thing in the morning, you don't want high blood sugar levels because then your body will not be able to burn fat. So during this detox program, my humble suggestion to all of you is to change your breakfast habit. And I'm going to give you 2 options which are the best to detoxify your body. First option is you can eat fruits in the morning breakfast. Eat only fruits, don't drink the juice because juice does not contain any fiber. Yes, it will provide you the vitamins and minerals, but in the absence of fiber, you will be hungry again very soon. So make sure that if you're choosing fruits, eat the whole fruit. That way you will stay fuller for a longer time. And when you're choosing fruits, in that I would suggest you to add one sachet of blueberry slimming body protein because it provides you healthy fiber to fill your stomach and also provide you all the protein that your body needs in the morning. Second option for breakfast is to choose the bread, toast, and egg breakfast. In that, you will choose only whole wheat bread, no white bread, and make sure you read the ingredient label of your bread that you get. The bread should be only whole wheat bread. It should not be bleached wheat flour or enriched wheat flour or unbleached wheat flour. No, only whole wheat bread because that is complex carbohydrate. It will not raise your blood sugar level drastically. In addition to two toasts of bread, you will use only avocado as the spread on your bread. Don't use any butter or cheese as a spread. Make a paste of avocado. You can, of course, put some salt and spices in it, but only avocado paste on your toast. And you can add in two either boiled eggs or omelette, whichever way you like to eat your eggs, and make sure that you cook your eggs in only extra virgin olive oil. Don't use any sunflower oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, or refined oils. After finishing your breakfast, give half an hour break and then you can take two capsules of spirulina plus because spirulina plus will provide you 8 essential amino acids. It will provide you zinc, manganese, magnesium, potassium, calcium. It is a complete superfood. Spirulina plays a big role in detoxifying toxins from your system. After your breakfast is done, I would suggest that for your next meal, wait till the lunch time. Don't eat any snack in between because that will again unnecessarily increase your blood sugar level. Remember one thing, when you're on your way or your journey to lose weight, it is important to keep your blood sugar levels as low as possible. Every time you eat a snack, it will spike up your blood sugar level. So, after breakfast, next meal comes is lunch. No snack in between. So let's talk about lunch. You have to take Chitosan capsule before lunch. Chitosan plays an important role in burning fat from your body. It basically binds the fat in small intestine and reduce the absorption of fat. Chitosan also clears the bad cholesterol from the bloodstream. Furthermore, Chitosan absorbs water in your stomach and it expands. By doing that, it gives you the feeling of fullness and you automatically eat less in your lunch. So I would suggest that you take two Chitosan capsules approximately half an hour before your lunch. So now I'm gonna give you a good news because you didn't eat your rice and noodles in the breakfast. So now at lunch time, you can bring in your rice or noodles with one piece of meat, whichever you prefer, meat, chicken, seafood, and potatoes as well. You can add in a little bit of potato here. On top of that, throw in some green vegetables as well, like broccoli or lettuce or kale or split pea. Always remember, whenever you consume any meal, there should always be some form of fiber in that meal. Alright guys, so next meal that comes after the lunch is our supper or dinner. So when it comes to dinner, the whole idea is to stay as light as possible unless you have a night shift or you're working in the night. I always say the basic formula for maintaining a slim body is to always eat for what you're about to do. So we had our breakfast and lunch and we move around a bit. We keep doing some form of physical activity so those calories get utilized. Usually at night or bedtime, we just have to go and sleep and we won't be doing any physical activity. So all the calories in the food will be stored, they will not be utilized. That's why I always say keep the dinner as light as possible. So during this detox trial program, In your dinner time, I would want you to have one sachet of blueberry slimming powder along with one vegetable soup of your choice. I told you in the beginning only, the detox program is all about discipline. You have to do the commitment to get the result. In the night also, I would suggest that half an hour before you take your vegetable soup and blueberry slimming powder, just take 2 capsules of Chitosan to further facilitate fat burning and detoxification. Once you complete your meal, give a break of 30 to 45 minutes and then take 2 more capsules of Spirulina Plus. As I said earlier, it will provide you all essential amino acid, chlorophyll, phytonutrients, vitamins, minerals, and also help you in detoxifying toxins. Alright guys, next tool that we provide you in this detoxification program is the Green World Pro Slim Tea. I would suggest that just like you drink water throughout this detox program, keep drinking Pro Slim Tea. I mean, for next 3 to 4 days, forget about all pop soda or soft drinks or juices. Just drink Pro Slim Tea. And the Green World Pro Slim Tea, one bag brews approximately 3 to 4 cups of tea. So all you need in one entire day are 1 to 2 tea bags, and you have approximately 8 to 9 cups of tea ready with that. So it will give you two benefits. It will help you burn fat, and at the same time your fluid intake for the day is also fulfilled. Now I have explained all the products, but if any of you want to be more aggressive with your fat loss and slimming, in that case, you can take one slimming capsule half an hour after lunch and also after dinner. This will further increase your fat loss. And of course, it goes without saying that during this 3 days of free trial program for detox, please stop consuming any form of processed food, processed meat, or cakes, pastries, donuts, ice cream, chocolates, biscuit, cookies, deep fried food. A big no for everything. Alright, so before I finish, there are some precautions that I want to bring to your notice. Pregnant ladies and nursing mothers are not recommended to do aggressive slimming program. The recommended age group should be from 16 to 60 years of age. If you have any heart disease or any heart problem, or if you have had any surgery done recently, then this 3 day program might not be suitable for you. Women at menstruation are also not recommended to take this 3 day trial program. I would suggest that you wait for your menstruation to get over and then you can definitely start this program. For diabetic people, if your blood sugar level can be controlled between 80 to 130 mm per deciliter before meals and less than 180 mg per deciliter 2 hours after your meals, then you can do this program. In case your blood sugar level goes down, you can have a slice of whole wheat bread or a kiwi fruit or an apple to give the boost to your blood sugar level. For people with high blood pressure, if your systolic blood pressure can be controlled under 140 mmHg and your diastolic pressure under 90 mmHg and you don't have any symptoms like headache or dizziness, then this 3 day trial program might be beneficial for your blood pressure. Alright guys, so that was all the briefing about this Green World Home Fit 3 day trial program. I wish you guys all the best and enjoy your 3 day trial program. Bye.